Hi guys, it's Belle. It's been months, a year maybe, but I'd like to make a video today because I'm very excited with the item that I got from Shopee, of course. Where else? Anyway, I bought Peculiar Eyewear. That's just to take care of our eyes because of radiation and overuse of gadgets. So I have actually come across with Peculiar page and checked on TikTok, and there are a lot of influencers and professionals who use this and recommend. So I really would like to check it myself. Even my sister has it, so really surprised that I added to cart. But yeah, it's here already. Look. Sorry, but kabok. So yes, these are, if I may say, these are not cheap, but they're not pricey as well. So makakaya lang ng budget natin. So Peculiar Eyewear, it's actually made in the Philippines, so very good. Look at the packaging, very nice. Tapos yung dito is actually statements siya or words. Yung meaning neto is or translates to thank you. Yung naintindihan ko dito na mga words, actually naintindihan ko naman, but meron dito damo nga salamat, which is waray-waray. And I'm waray-waray, so thank you for putting waray-waray term here. Meron ding dagang salamat. I'm waray-waray Bisaya, so salamat kaadyo. Very nice. Salamat po, of course, Tagalog. And nice yung packaging. I like it. So let's unbox and see what's inside. Actually, in-unbox ko na to eh. Let's see. This package or this box is actually lightweight, but it's thick, guys. So here in the package is a eyewear case, of course, to protect the glasses. This is just a cloth, to clean the lenses, and of course this is actually a to test the blue light testing. This one is the testing area, so to say self-test card. So this is to check if the glasses is actually effective, or if the blue light is or will not affect the eyes, right? It will not pass through the lenses, so we will test that. Nice. Just an information, Peculiar Eyewear. Let me see. This is the only eyewear in the Philippines with certification for UV 400 and harmful blue light blocking technology. Introducing Safe Shield and Blue Shield lens by Peculiar. So everything is here. It's safe. Just overuse of gadgets, it could give us headache and dry eyes, so we really need to protect our eyes. So this package, I personally picked it, or the glasses, I picked it because I think it's nice, the design. This one is pink, it's lightweight, it comes with this just to protect it, and yeah, let's see if it's okay with my face shape. I think it's good. Char. Parang nakikiwa say tawagan na. Matagal na po kasi ako hindi nagvi-video. Just try it now. We will test this. This torch is actually say for example the light from or harmful lights, so example overuse of the gadgets and computer or laptop or whatever that we're using, even actually the sun, I think. I'm not sure about that, but let's see. We will try to test. So like that. So so imagine the overuse, for how many hours that our eyes is exposed. Look at that. Okay, so once this fades, we will test this. But I think this is sleek and nice, so cute. We can wear it every day. Nice. So we will test just like that. Just like that. Let us test that. So Okay, there's none. So with the lenses on, our eyes are safe also. Like that. Very nice. So I'm not gonna try the rest of the glasses that I have. I'm just gonna show you the designs. So this will be quick. By the way, this is the other one because my husband uses this. This is unisex. I think I can like use it as well. And I'm not sure anong tawag nito. This is just to protect, no, because sometimes other frames are sakit sa sa tenga. This is cute. You think it's cute? I like it. Make. So it's nice according to my husband. Let us test na lang here just to make sure that every lens is like that. I'll just close my eyes because the blue light really is sakit sa mata. Oh, nice. I like it. So this one is my husband will be using. Nice for computer games and cell phone, daily cell phone. So let us try the other or check the other item or design. Okay, this one, guys. This is the cheapest in the page, and when I smell it, may plastic pong smell siya. So I really am not into plastics jud na kuan kanang mga, what to call that, kanang mga eyewear because of the scent, no? So I'm not sure if mo fade lang ang scent ani or plastic nga kuan na nabaho niya para at least may use. But I think this is okay. I think this is okay. Make. Okay la. Yeah, it's okay. It's nice as well. Huh? Bagay. Pero I think this will be for okay with girls and boys. So this is unisex as well. So let us try the other designs because again I had bought 4. I'm planning to buy other designs because of course for style. For style. Here. I think of all kay ito yung may bigger lens. I think bagay din. Ito lightweight din. Every eyewear or eyeglass lightweight lang siya. So this is nice. Ooh, if you would like to check on their page, just go to Shopee, Peculiar Eyewear, Peculiar Shop. So you could like also check as to what design you like and start your eye care with them. Diba? These are really nice products. Look at this. Nice. Thank you so much. That's it. And I think I'm gonna make other videos, or yeah, I'll get used to this. Sure. Bye.